Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today we're going to be working on the Pajero again. We've got a big trip planned coming up in the next 4 weeks time in Central Australia. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be refitting out the back of the Pajero. So we're actually going to be removing the rear seats. So in this video what we're going to do is we're going to show you actually how to remove the rear seats. It's really quick and simple, nice and easy. And then if you go back to the channel, or if you click on the card above, there will be another video which goes through the entire complete fit out of this rear seat area and how we're utilising it for this big trip. So we're going away for 2 weeks and we'll show you how we set up all the gear. I try and limit putting stuff up on the roof rack, and I've got actually a 200 watt solar panel mounted on the roof rack. And again, if you go back to the channel, there's a whole heap of stuff on that. So, but what we're going to try and do is get everything into this back section. But again, let's just quickly show you how to rip out these seats and then go back to the channel for all the rest. All right guys, let's get started. All right guys, got my trusty sidekick Lionel here with me today. All right, so let's move the seats forward first up. So obviously you got the locking mechanism at the back of the seat. That's it, and it's just about, it just has to, that's it. Oh, beautiful, nice and simple. All right, let's go around the other side now. All right, this same, very much the same. Lifts forward, perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take off these plastic covers first up. Okay, so we might need a little flat screwdriver to pry them up, or they might just clip up if you're lucky. There you go guys, nice and simple. Just got to get the right pressure points. Okay, so you got 4 of those there. Now literally what we're going to do is we're going to take out 1, 2, there's 8 bolts in total. And yeah, that's simple, and the seats will come out. All right guys, so it's just 14 mil. That's simple. So that just lifts out. Now the seats are actually quite heavy, so be careful, okay? All right guys, that's a nice quick and easy one today for you. So if you want any more info, go back to the channel. There's a whole heap of stuff on Pajeros and solar and full driving and Starlink. You name it, it's on there. Go check it out. And all my adventures with the crew. So yeah, I'll hope you like what you're seeing. Again, give us a thumbs up, share it around, subscribe. If you want to share us a coffee with the super thanks. All right, I shall see you in the next video, guys. Cheers, bye.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine,